Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Sofia Hanim binti Hamzah and today I'm going to present about effectiveness of organic and repellent. As an introduction of N from the family Formicidae in order Hymenoptera, more than 12,500 of N are estimated. Total of 22,000 species has been classified and found throughout the world, especially in tropical and living community. And we consider as pest, sting or bite, and N is living in the small natural cavity to highly organized colony. We have itchy ant, sugar ant, and black ant. Organic ingredients are used as a daily routine, either in its from food kitchen or with food. The herbaceous content in high order and spicy. Organic ingredient, safe to use, easy to find, easy to make, save money, and can improve our health as well. We have several materials that we use based on their benefit. Problem statement: single worker ant can bite and sting several times. Some of the species ant can hurt people without we realize it, and are very attractive with the sweet food such as sugar, cooking food, and drinking. Powder pesticide will spray to all the surface effect of wind. Liquid is also can expose to the food easily. Chemical products sometimes can make effect to people for a long time period to the organic product. Objective in this study to produce the product of organic to repellent ant, and second to study the effectiveness of organic product to repellent ant. Certificate of study to decrease the population of the ant toward the food and environment. Variety of organic repellent will increase to the world compare using chemical product, especially towards ant. Contain organic ingredient which is capable for repellent ant. For the methodology, we use all this material to make our product, and we use all these apparatus to make our product as well. So as a method, we collect all the material and we cut it, we blend it, and then we separately in the 4 treatment, which is treatment 1 content of star anise as the main ingredient, treatment 2 content of clove as the main ingredient, treatment 3 content of cinnamon, and treatment 4 only content of dry chili, coffee powder, and Ceylon citronella. Then the sachet, we collect the data based on different times, which is in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. Then the data we analyze using the Microsoft Excel. Then the bar graph is show the result of this research. From the graph, we can see that different organic product of the sachet. The axis represent the treatment, which is treatment 1, treatment 2, treatment 3, and treatment 4, and the y-axis represent the number of N. Due to the time, the treatment was tested in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. From the bar graph, the number of N T1 and T2 is increased. Thereby, the treatment is less effective for the N. It can be seen T4 is decreased slowly by the minutes. From the graph, T3 decreased rapidly than the others treatment. Thereby, T3 is the most effective to repel the ant. As we can see, in 1 minute, show the number of ant in different treatment. Based on the graph, the number of ant in T1 and T2 is equally, that show the treatment is less effective. The treatment 4 highest compared to treatment 3. The number of ant in treatment 3 is decreased, that show treatment 3 is the most effective. The ingredient of treatment 3 such as cinnamon, coffee powder, Ceylon citronella, and dry chili. The main of this treatment is cinnamon. Coumarin are natural occurring plant compound found in the cinnamon that have a strong anticoagulant properties. Cinnamon is also known to have a strong smell that deter ants from their food, but cinnamon main mode of action with insect appear to be as repellent, although it's as biocide action at the higher dosage. Based on the graph, in the 5 minutes, the graph show the number of ants in T2 is increased because the main ingredient are clove. Clove as the main ingredient contain at least 15% volatile oil, eugenol, a phytochemical responsible for its effective antiseptic and anesthetic. Clove contains significant amount of active compound called eugenol, and the smell of clove not too strong that show the clove is less effective to repel the ant. Clove has smell aromatic flower bud that can attract the ant. From the graph, in 10 minutes, the number of ant in T1 is equally the T2. The main ingredient of T1 is star anise. The star anise is powerful and liquor-like, more pungent and stronger than star anise. The star anise has stronger smell but not suitable for repel the ant because the star anise has the sweet smell that can attract the ant. The number of ant in T4 is highest than the T3 that show that T3 is most effective to repel the ant based on the number of ant was decreased in different time. Based on the graph, in 15 minutes show the number of treatment 4 is decreasing. Ingredients are Ceylon citronella, dry chili and coffee powder. The graph show in the 20 minutes T2 and T1 is highest the number of ant repellent. The T2 and the T1 is less effective to repel the ant compared to T4. The number of ant T4 decreasing compared in 15 minutes because the ingredient of T4 effective to repel the ant. The number of ant in T3 is 0 that shown that T3 is the most effective. As a conclusion, we can produce the organic and repellent in this research and the most effective treatment, which is treatment 3 compared to treatment 1, treatment 2 and treatment 4. That's all. Thank you.